So see, we would like correlation of between these two variables, this being the explanatory, this being the response, and but for correlation it doesn't really matter. One way is to go via paste function, or you can do two things at one time. Say this is my y variable and this is my x variable. Go ahead and make a scatter plot. All right, you can modify this scatter plot if you would like, and are okay. Now you can see here that you have a positive association. Okay, and to get your numbers, just go to layout. All right, go to trend line, and here we are sticking to linear. Okay, to get the equation, we will say more trend line options, and we want the equation, and we want the r square. Okay, now r square is the square of the correlation. Okay, and let's go ahead and increase the font size here so that we can see better. Okay, now so this is a square of the correlation, and we have positive association. So if we would like the correlation, what we would do is we will simply take the square root of this number, and in this case the correlation is, the association is positive, so my correlation would be positive. So square root of 0.9964 is approximately 0.9982. So that's my correlation. Okay, and I took the positive value because this is a positive association. On the other hand, say we are looking at the association between these two variables, this being the y variable in the second column, this being the x. We'll do the same thing, go create a scatter plot. All right, and then go to layout, trend line, and we want the equation and the r square. Okay, so here what we got is that we have, as you can clearly see, a negative association in this case. Okay, so if we have to write the correlation, what we will say, we will just put an equal sign and then ask for the negative square root of 0.9919. Okay, and that is negative 0.9959. Okay, so this is the way you can get your regression line as well as the correlation for to look at association between two, or linear association between two numerical variables. Okay.